Good afternoon, teacher Sara. My personal information. My full name is Flor de María Chicana Portugués. I'm native of Lima. I am an international business student. I study at the IDA Institute. I am 36 years old. I am happily married. I am have 11-year-old daughter. I live in Callao. My email is chipanaportugues@gmail.com. My birthday is May 23rd. My favorite color is yellow and red. My favorite singer is Gianmarco. My hobbies are have singer, listen to music. My favorite dishes is lomo saltado and ceviche. I want to share with you something very sad that happened to me this year in the month of March. Because the COVID pandemic took my father and my sister, a pain that will never overcome. I work as an assistant in a heavy load transport company. I can make electronic invoice to sometimes coordinate trips. That is my day routine from Monday to Friday. At work and at home to cook her homework day. On weekends we go adults as family. We love to play volleyball, soccer with our daughter, and we go eat pizza and hamburger. And one of my hobbies that's high, like this reading and singing. And once I don't like it is movies they put me to sleep. Thank you. Continue. Location of my house. Whether I will tell you about the location of my house. I live in the beautiful district of Callao. It has warm climate. My address is CD Road to the King's Approach. My house is on Puerto Bermudez Avenue. When I want to go out to dinner and something delicious, I have many options. There is a chicken ratios shop in front of my house. It's a hot want a pizza. There is pizzeria La Leña. Next to my house, there is a chifa tea. There is an excellent fishing terminal where you can find a variety of fresh fish. My house is small but very cozy. It has 2 floors, there is a garage. In the lower part, there are 3 bedrooms on the second floor, living room, kitchen, and 2 bedrooms in front of 2 computer room. This is my star room. There is a TV in the center of my living room. There is a stereo next to the coffee table, and there is a set of furniture by the wall. On the wall are shelves and pictures. Thank you. Continue. Timeline of my life. 1985, I was born in the Lima Maternidad Hospital. In 2002, I finished second lab. In 2003, I began to study and career in technical nursing at the Arzobispo Loaiza Institute in Lima. In 2006, I finished my degree in undergraduate that is a nurse. In 2009, I got pregnant with my first child. In 2010, my beautiful daughter was born. In 2013, I got married as a civilian with a agreement, partner, and campus. In 2015, I opened my first women's clothing store in Gamar. In 2019, to her, when me and husband we bought a house from Chorrillos, we moved to Callao. In 2020, I started my second degree in International Business Administration at the IDET Institute. In 2021, I have my car for family trips. Students, dads, and teacher, thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.